Hey, would you like to know how to make a tire in easy way and with really nice clean topology? Let's do it. First of all, we need to create a mesh which will be cylinder. This is the most suitable shape. I will create it low poly with 60 vertices, about 35 centimeters radius and about 25 centimeters depth. Let's rotate it 90 degrees along y-axis and let's apply rotation. Let's see if everything is correct. Looks like it is. So now we can go to the edit mode, add one face in here, just insert and delete this face as we don't need it. Now let's add loop cut in the middle and get rid of everything that is on the left side. We can add mirror modifier so we can have symmetry on both sides. I will turn on clipping and I will switch my pivot point to 3D cursor, which is exactly in the middle of the wheel. Now we can enter edit mode and add few loop cuts. Let's say 3 will be enough for now. Let's make an easy V shape. In order to do it, I will select this edge. I will choose proportional editing and choose sharp. Now we can rotate along x-axis and make a nice V shape on our tire. This will be enough. Let's add another loop cut somewhere here, turn off proportional editing, and I think this will be a gap for the water to come out. So maybe let's make it a little bit closer like so. Now I think I will split this edge. So let's add another loop cut, something like that. Now I will create the bump. So let's select everything that we want to extrude, which will be those faces. So let's extrude them. I think that should be okay. Now let's select everything that we want to keep. All I need is two lines that were created at the beginning. So now we can repeat them along the wheel. So let's select everything else with invert option and delete. Now we can copy it. So let's add a modifier array. Let's change it to object offset and we will need about 30 pieces. At the beginning we created a cylinder with 60 vertices. We used 2 vertices, so we need to multiply it 30 times. So I'll type 30. Now let's create an empty and now we have to rotate it. We need to split 360 degrees by 30, so it will be 12. So let's type in the rotation X 12. In the array modifier, we need to select our empty, which is empty 001, and ta-da, our tire is nearly ready. We can make some adjustments. Here is the portion that can be edited. I will add one edge loop and move it to the right a little bit so that we've got a better shape for our wheel. We can select those lines and slide them down a little bit. Now let's take those and do the same. So we've got a better profile. Okay, I think I like the shape of my tire. We can select those edges and extrude a little bit more, scale it down and put it inside a little bit, like that. I think my wheel is ready. I can apply my modifiers. So let's go to the array first, tick the merge option, check if everything is still okay. It looks like it is. So let's apply it. Now let's apply mirror modifier. Let's go to the edit mode, select everything and type M to merge everything by distance. As you can see, we had 15 vertices that were cleaned up. Now we can shade auto smooth and voila, our tire is ready. Really nice tire, really easy with really clean and nice topology.